To apply for OCI, you need to visit online OCI services. It's government of India website. The first page you must see is the user register, where you need to add your details like surname, given name, date of birth, email ID, nationality, mobile number. You will receive an OTP on your email, which allows you to go set an account. Followed by you need to click on the instruction for filing application, where you gotta find the new OCI registration. And once you start that, you need to click on apply online, proceed to OCI registration. You will find the two registration forms, part 1, part 2. In part 1, you will have to add your details. You need to choose the place of submission and region. Add your Canadian passport details, applicant family details. Then you need to save and continue. And then in the second part, you will going to get, you will get to fill the occupation details and the address details. Fill it accordingly. And the third part, you need to upload your photos and signature. However, keep in mind that when you submit the photo and the signature, the document name should only contain the alphabets. After completing the third part, that is the registration form B, you have certain questions that you need to choose either yes or no according to your situation. And when you scroll down, you will find the first information as present nationality acquisition details. You could choose naturalization in the acquisition method if you not your permanent residence, you are citizenship in Canada after you come here on study, you work, and then you land permanent residency. And then you also add the date of acquisition when you bought your citizenship, and you need to add and be second all other details. You need to add your previous nationality and the you keep your passport number. Verify the information and submit it.